wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best Bible study kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The Day Spring Illustrated is ideal for young visual learners who may otherwise have a hard time staying focused. Its mixed media items will keep them inspired, and it contains stickers with heavenly images and words you can use to decorate the text and study room. It's perfect for religious scrapbookers and includes a mat for protecting the pages. However, it could use some colored markers. At number 5, give the Dickson gifts case to your friend or family member who likes to keep everything organized, including their worship of God. The soft carrying case is covered in the names of different books from the Bible and has a compartment for pens and paper. It lies flat for easy use and sports a cross detail on the zipper, but it doesn't come with any accessories. Coming in at number 4 on our list. If you've been struggling to understand God's divine plan for you and to know what tools you already have at your disposal to execute it, Restless by Jennie can help you find answers through the 8-session DVD set intended for study groups. It includes discussion cards and a helpful guide for leaders. However, there are some redundant questions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bible Study Kits, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. This set from Faber Castell includes 2 odorless India ink pens that will not bleed through thin pages, and 4 of the company's top-quality Gelatos pigment crayons. There are also inspirational stencils that fit nicely on Bible pages with 2-inch margins. The crayon ink is permanent, and it comes with a 46-page design guide, but the stickers and die cuts seem cheap. At number 2, the Cozy Mountain Lodge Retreat contains a director's kit for leading a Bible-based getaway for women. It features a media pack with a training DVD, an instrumental music CD, plus guides for 7 sessions. The program encourages active participation. The focus is on your relationship with Jesus, and there's enough for a full weekend. It includes a sample schedule. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the GT Luscombe Deluxe provides the artistically minded with everything they need to highlight important passages and connect with the text. It comes with a set of watercolors, a blending tool, and coloring pencils, so users can create art inspired by their readings. It includes a high-quality wooden stamp set and is the perfect starter kit for journaling. The pens are gentle on pages. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bible Study Kits, or simply click beneath this video.